In this video, you'll learn how to add a single website and crawl and scan that website. There are other ways to mass import websites and crawl and scan in bulk or by groups. Check out our other resources for those steps. Let's get started. I'm on the Pope Tech dashboard and will select Websites in the left main navigation. Now I'm on the Websites page, which lists all the websites I've added to Pope Tech. Next, I'll select Create Website in the top right. To create a new website, you just need to add the website's base URL. This is your website's homepage address. We suggest also adding a name. This name shows up in lists and reports. Now select Save. After creating your website, you'll be on the Edit Website page. This is where you can crawl and scan your website. Crawling is when Pope Tech finds all the pages on your website, and scanning is when Pope Tech finds the accessibility results on those pages. I'll go to the Crawl and Scan widget in the top right. Make sure both Crawl and Scan are selected, and select Start. In the same Crawl and Scan widget, I can review the status of the crawl and scan. To update the status, select the refresh icon. Depending on the size of your website, this can take some time. While you wait, you can schedule a recurring scan and have a recurring report emailed to you from that scan to keep better track of accessibility progress and issues. Once the crawl and scan are complete, you can view scan results in the scorecard widget and the added pages in the pages widget. You're ready to add, crawl, and scan websites in Pope Tech.